Me tell you stuff, set a legacy like never before. Tell my daughter, tell my son, so them will never see poor. Never say quit. Suck my root up in night. Figure shoot up in night. Bag of pussy group.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Wicked program run by Masicka after dissing Vybz Kartel. And speaking of Vybz Kartel, we switch part him by a brand new range for him fiancé. Viewers and subscribers, me not think me did see a little thing go on what here and it a show say them left. Me no know. Tell me down below in the comment section. First it was Jahshii. No, it's Panda. The difference is Panda never make it. Maker were really a go on. Bounty killer, come out of a closet or him just went a little too far in his performance. Viewers and subscribers, we have all of that in this report and much more to speak about. But before we go further in the details, may I ask you for them one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. When you reach this far, so please may I ask you, give this video a like. We'll get straight into it. So a few months ago, we see Mecca make the news for the bad reason. Yeah man, it's a popular nightclub off Concern Spring Road. Down a one little place where them call Marketplace. Yes, what me I say, this incident was when Jahshii, yeah man, big bad dancehall artist Jahshii, was celebrating birthday, and while leaving Mecca, he was attacked. Now them spray him car where him entourage in with bullets. About 6 of them get knocked. You see what me I say? But Jahshii was lucky enough to survive. Jahshii was lucky enough to escape scratch free. Now we see a thing go on what there a few days ago, probably about a week by now. You see what me I say? Which part a fight broke out in the club. Big fight. You don't know. Security have run in, everybody have run in and party and them little thing there. But this security guard or the security company was there. Them never really do much more than just party. The man behind the security company was a man what them call Panda. He is a former police officer. So him dead, you don't know, make sure so everything run right, part the fight, who get throat, etc. Now information reaching us is that security company that was originally employed to Mecca got fired. Yeah man, everybody get fired. Now Panda and his team decide to take up the job of being the security company. We are going to make sure that Mecca is secure each night whenever the patrons them are forward. Now a patron supposedly forward, talk to 2 other people and then spray the man with bullets. You see what I say? The ex-cop didn't survive. Now, you see when things like them here are going at an establishment, especially somewhere like Mecca, a venue where people go for party and have a good time, it don't look good. And it's not just it not look good, but it's definitely going to affect business. Be real. You are going to take up yourself, go at a place that's coming like a ticking time bomb. Any minute, any second, something can kick off. Remember, this man when he Panda, the ex-cop, well, heap of people say, yo, it can be stemming from some things when I'm doing at the force, while everybody else say it is because of the previous incident a few days ago where fight broke out and people running. And we all know how it go. You don't have to do nothing more than party fight, but a man look and see up on video and decide say, yo, watch out now, me just go make sure say any one of them security I me see, me I go can them up because he wasn't the only one get caught. Another security guard get caught up, but luckily he survived. Now, one of the saddest part of this is that Panda is a highly rated individual, not just as a security guard, not just when he was a police officer, but now as a person. Nobody not have nothing bad to say about this youth. It just sad for no say a simple incident like this make the man lose him life. Viewers and subscribers, we not spend much time on that. We are move right along. And speaking of Jahshii earlier, we see which part he made that post here and you don't know in a hospital. Now whenever I see artists do them things here, me ignore it. We all know say controversy sell and them artists are always a pull stunt and will go to the extreme just for them music where them are going to release go to the forefront. Now Jahshii is not really one such artist, but once them are artists, we can't put nothing past them. So when me look and me see the picture, me I say, all right, music video forward. So let me go and wait and watch what go on. Shortly after that, or about a day or two after that, me see which part him actually post a picture of a car, and basically you must see Jaja guide and whatever. So it was clear then that Jahshii had met in a car accident. Now, based on what we see him a party after that, there are certain place, they all on stage and them thing there. So we know say the artist could just a little shake up, and you don't know, God doctor go do your regular checkup, which them normally suggest you do after accident or incident, no matter the magnitude. But we're glad for know say yeah, the artist alright, and we see saying fully active again. You see what me I say, they out in the street and do him thing. We see him just bury him brother. Yo, this artist I go through a lot. Yo, Jahshii, blessings. You see what me I say, go on do your thing, big up.
Some black lad keen I kill like in berries. Pussy them switching I place and perish. Kind just a flick.
So Bounty Killer is known for burn out everything in a dancehall where him feel like say go against the rules, the regulations and the laws of the industry and Jamaica and all. Yes, what me I say. But Bounty Killer, we see he make some mistakes many times. Remember we see Bounty Killer up on stage as sing already, and he mouth slipping up. We're not going into that because we past that. Now we see Bounty Killer up on stage a perform, and this are the clip where we see forward. Check it out.
Someone tell me why Bounty's really into you.
Ladies, I can't take
Someone tell me why Bounty's really into you.
Era, me now go say much pan that. One question me I go ask you now. Is Bounty Killer coming out of the closet? Or him just went a little too far in his performance? Viewers and subscribers, tell me down below. We move right along.
Something root up in our night. We go shoot up in our night.
So the last thing we are going to touch upon, boy, this story is like 3 in 1. Me not even know where to start. That's what I say. Forward, that's how I talk about it many times, but the way how it get complicated, we don't know where to start. But yeah, we have to start somewhere. So we see Alkaline, I beat them wicked from what they are. We see him a post on him Instagram story. We see him a post on him Instagram page. We see him a post words. We see him a post picture. We see him all go as far as post song. Now, Alkaline made this post on his Instagram story just a few days before Masicka released his highly anticipated GOK album. Check it out.
If they never, how the world famous?
So we know how Alkaline stay. Nothing he does is random. When him a go to work, him go to work. And we don't know Masicka highly anticipated album did a forward the release date, him post it and everything. So Alkaline did know what him a do. Now Masicka in a him album, me I go ask you a question. Did Masicka take the bait? My question is yes, him take the bait. So you know where we are right now? I go and wait and I roll out to see where Alkaline have a forward, because as always say, Masicka take the bait. Now earlier me say program run wicked for Masicka right after him this Vybz Kartel. Now we see Bounty Killer make a post of Masicka doing an interview. In the interview, this our Masicka have to say.
Emulate in the early part of my career, you know what I mean? Just aggressiveness, just the drive for always, you know what I mean? That sound, that power, the Bounty Killer is just like a force to be reckoned with. I'm just always like that. You're not easily moved, you're not easily intimidated, you know what I mean?
So as I can see, Masicka clearly has stated the influence of Bounty Killer have on him career as it regards to how him start music and who him did look up to and all of that. Now everybody are run with it and I say, yo, Masicka, this Vybz Kartel, yo, this is no way, shape, or form. This in Vybz Kartel. Yes, it would be good for him pay a little homage to Vybz Kartel or Seray, but remember, Bounty Killer has been there way before Vybz Kartel. Man like Masicka maybe grew up listening to Bounty Killer. Well, Vybz Kartel, because Me and Masicka in the same age group and a Vybz Kartel era grew up in. But regardless, if you is a man, let's say you go to music, there are certain people you go really look up to, and who are run the place currently, and who you feel like say, yo, this person want to emulate. This person, they're on the right track. This person, I teach do them the right way, etc. So nothing is wrong with Masicka saying, boy, him look up to Bounty Killer and Bounty Killer do this and Bounty Killer do that. For me, it is not a diss aimed at Vybz Kartel. Viewers and subscribers, tell me down below in the comment section. If you don't feel like say it's a diss towards Vybz Kartel, or you don't feel like say, boy, nothing wrong with what him say. As I say, I don't see anything wrong with what Masicka said.
Push a shot in the head, you hear say no call for. Crowd a draw down in our amount of water. The mama say.
Now, back to the album. As when me say, Masicka take the beat. In him album, him release quite a few tracks. Before me go into certain things, honestly speaking, this album is nothing, absolutely nothing compared to 438. To be real, this is a Grammy album. But as in regards to the connection, the effect it have, Dancehall, Panda culture, it is nothing compared to 438. 438 still a lead by a mile. And when I say lead by a mile, I mean it a lead by a mile. You see what I say? 438 don't have not even one skippable song. This album, yeah, whole heap of skippable song upon it. Whole heap. That's what I say. But as what I say, that we are talking about, Masicka, him take the beat, and in him album, him have a song titled Carbon. And you see every diss where Alkaline diss him, yeah man, in a Carbon, him make sure say, yo, him fire some wicked rounds in response to everything where Alkaline have to say no, and also in the past. And as you know, a whole heap of song the artists them have subliminally dissing each other. So we now go through everyone. And remember keenly back in at the time when Masicka just signed to Def Jam, and yeah, him release a few tracks, and not only saying release a few tracks, we don't know. So when you sign certain deals with certain labels, there is certain guidelines. We no matter what, or no have to follow them. And me feel like that's the reason why this album when Masicka release sounds so. So Alkaline shortly after Masicka signed with Def Jam, Alkaline released a track titled Open My Brain. And remember what Alkaline saying, right? Check it out.
Guidelines, we no follow guidelines. Draw for the iron and go full of top carbine. Boy, could the aisle walk with that.
Yeah man, Alkaline I tell Masicka say, yo, we no follow guidelines. You will sign no, you have to follow certain guidelines. So you what? Me I go take up the matic and we are going to fold them up a carbine. As when me say, this album is a proof and a testimony. Say yes, Masicka a follow guidelines, and Alkaline, they don't tell no that. But Masicka, in his song Carbon, in response to Alkaline saying I follow guidelines, this our Masicka have to say.
Watch boy if you try program a king. Them a good you, we start roll with that thing. Don't get out of it.
You know them boy they were big and fool from them a gas school. Never broke a rule, never broke a fight, never won a.
Yeah man, Masicka say yo, no boy can't try program a king. You're mad. I see that one day over there so him attack. That boy the Alkaline. Yo, now watch him man. A good youth, him just start roll with that thing. And remember, Vybz Kartel did tell no long time ago. Now watch Alkaline man, a good youth. A youth when in their school, him a nerd, him a snitching at the class, everybody hate and them little thing there. Him just left school now, and you don't know him a sing song and make some money. So him can roll with two things. And that Masicka tell you, Masicka basically I said the same thing what Vybz Kartel did say back then, viewers and subscribers. When you feel like say all these allegations are true, Alkaline was an idiot, was a nerd in high school. I know say somebody will go school with him must listen to this now. Tell me down below in the comment section if are true. But with all of that said, as when me say, the album is definitely a Grammy album. Yo, excellent body of work, well put together, the vocals, everything. Yo, may I tell you, we see all Def Jam. I share it and I make the people them know, so yo, run go buy it and them look thing there. So Me nah no doubt says a Grammy album. In fact, it kick off Bob Marley from the #1 spot the day when it dropped. That's what me I say. So this album, me feel like I will give Masicka his first Grammy nomination. Yes, what me I say can also win the Grammy. Him have some wicked feature Spanish right now. A feature depending with the man Chronicler. Me not even I go tell you the title light. You no need to go check it out for yourself. But with that said, this album, it not really connect with the dancehall industry like oh it should. It not really connect with the dancehall industry like 438. It just not have it. That's what me I say. The impact there, it not have it. But regardless of that, it's a good body of work. Viewers and subscribers, tell me down below in the comment section, what's your thought on Masicka new album, GOK? Viewers and subscribers, like this video. Bless up.
From a close, headshot a blood a run show nose. Suck on the mother head, don't come too close.